Imagine starting your day with a glass of vibrant green goodness, creamy spinach, tangy apple, and a hint of ginger blended into a sip of pure energy. This isn't just a drink, it's a small daily ritual that can help you feel lighter, brighter, and more in tune with your body. Green detox smoothies have become a secret weapon for many, and it's easy to see why. Packed with fiber, antioxidants, and metabolism-boosting ingredients, they're a simple way to support weight loss while nourishing your body from the inside out. Ready to give it a try? Grab your blender and let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly recipes, challenges, and tips to keep your journey fresh and exciting. Think about your typical breakfast. Is it rushed, sugary, or maybe even skipped? Swapping it for a green smoothie could be the change you need. Start with a handful of fresh spinach, half a frozen banana for natural sweetness, a splash of almond milk, and a teaspoon of chia seeds for that extra fiber boost. Blend until smooth, and voila, you've got a meal that's as kind to your waistline as it is to your taste buds. Too earthy? Add a slice of pineapple or a drizzle of honey. Too thick? A splash of coconut water works wonders. The beauty is in the customization. Make it yours. Pro tip: use frozen fruit instead of ice for a creamier texture. Now, let's talk about the why. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with chlorophyll, which helps oxygenate your blood and flush out toxins, while ingredients like ginger kickstart digestion. But here's the key: these smoothies aren't magic. They work best when paired with mindful habits. Try this after sipping your smoothie. Take a 10-minute walk. Notice how you feel. Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear. Watch out for common pitfalls. Love fruity flavors. Go easy on sweet additions like mango, or juice up for low sugar picks like berries or green apple instead. And don't skip protein. A spoonful of almond butter or a scoop of plant-based protein powder keeps you full longer. Quick challenge: replace your afternoon snack with a green smoothie this week. Did cravings fade? Energy soar? Tag a friend to try it with you. We're all about community here. Speaking of community, meet Jamie, who ditched her sugary latte habit for morning green smoothies and lost 8 pounds in 2 months. Her secret: consistency and a 7-day detox challenge. Whether you're a newbie or a smoothie pro, we've got something for you. Your turn. What's one ingredient you're curious to try? Comment below, and we'll reply with a recipe twist. Ready to take the next step? Write down a tiny goal. I'll blend a green smoothie X days this week. Stick it on your fridge or phone. Small steps lead to big changes, and we're here to cheer you on. Hit subscribe for exclusive tips, live Q&As, and a supportive community. Your healthiest self is just a blend away. Let's thrive together.